Well, look what just came in the mail. There's a clue in the stamps. That is a UK stamp. And it's sent by Terry King. Thank you, Terry. I'm so excited for the super soil sample. Thanks to Babette's in the Garden for suggesting to you that I could give this a try. Because to be completely honest, I could use all the help I could get. Today is August 3rd. I don't see, the date didn't come through on the, when you posted this. So, let's see. We can get this open. Not knocking over my coffee. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And there it is. Amazing. Thank you, Terry. And thank you, Babette's, from Babette's in the Garden. Good old Babs. Thank you for suggesting to Terry that I could use some of this. Happy gardening, everyone.